Hi everybody, my name is Shannon and I am the owner of Whispering Grace Acres. We raise Bernedoodles, Golden Doodles, Bernese Mountain Dogs, and Aussie Doodles. Our website is www.whisperinggraceacres.com. You can also reach us at 513-520-0338. We raise our puppies inside. We have the parents health tested. And I would like to show you the litter that was born on May 26th. And they will be ready July 20th. Some of these have been reserved. Some of them have not. This is a female that's available. She has beautiful bronze marking. She has a little bit of white, but she's very heavily black and tan. This little girl is available. She's a Sable, and I'm not sure if you are familiar with the Sables because they are up and coming. They are beautiful. This is Josie. They have beautiful coats. Josie is sleeping. She's a classic tricolor that's available right here. Here's another Sable. This is an F1 generation. They are a standard size. We're very familiar with the breed and the sizing, and the difference is between a Bernese Mountain Dog and the Bernedoodle, they have a longer lifespan. They have healthier lives, and they are hypoallergenic, and that's what we love. A Bernese Mountain Dog is wonderful. We raise them, we own them, we love them. But for the families, look at that. It's a little male who unfortunately cannot own a Bernese Mountain Dog. These are a great option. They have that old soul. They're very sweet. But our website is whisperinggraceacres.com. You can call or text us at 513-520-0338. We're always happy to answer any questions that you have. We do offer doorstep delivery. Most of our puppies are delivered by us, and we do not freight them. We would deliver them ourselves. And of course, you're welcome to come and pick them up.